How we doing? Good? What is going on, Docs Gang? Alright guys, today, if you didn't recognize by the title, we are going to be doing a 5-minute Playboi Carti type beat because, well, you know, I like Playboi Carti type beats a lot. They're probably my favorite type right now, okay? Or maybe I should say Pierre Boure, but whatever. They're dope beats, okay? This dude is amazing. But yeah, Pierre Boure beats are sick. I'm gonna try and do one. I have a sample. Yeah, we're just gonna get this started. Don't forget, join my Discord. Alright, I'm gonna keep saying this. Join my Discord, alright? Because when I start doing live streaming again, like consistently, doing beat critiques, you're gonna wanna be on my Discord, okay? So join my Discord. Link is in the description. Alright, come chat with your boy. Yeah. Let's get this video started, shall we? Alright, I think we're ready to go. We got our 5-minute timer right here. I'm gonna start it in 3, 2, 1. Whoa. 3, 2, 1, go. Alright, let's do this. Pierre Boure kit. Okay, so we got the sample here. There we go. I just want to repeat it right there. I don't even have that big chunk of sample. Alright, we're just gonna keep this, put it there. Where is this? Where is it? Where is it? I'm gonna get these hi-hats going immediately. Alright. This is maybe a little too much. Let's bring this here. Come on. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, you gotta clap. Let's hit the clap. Okay. Where's the 808? Look at this 808. No. Okay, I'm wasting a lot of time right now. Oops. Gotta tune this real quick. Come on. There we go. Wait, we only have 3 sounds, guys, and this is already sounding kind of fire. Alright, now let's hit this kick real quick, because there's this kick on it. Okay, do I have time for a counter melody? I don't know. Do I have time for a counter melody? How many songs do we have left? Oh, we got plenty of time for a counter melody. Alright, let's get this counter melody going. And guys, don't worry, after this I'm going to fix up the beat even more so that it could be a full, you know what I'm saying? Full song, because I'm really liking this. Nexus, come on Nexus, don't play with me like that. Don't play with man like that, you get me, blood. No. We're gonna definitely slow this down. Okay, this gross beat, slow it down, slow it down, slow it down. There's some stuff from Dune 2 that I could also add because, you know what I'm saying, Dune 2, I'd be sleeping on it. I'm not gonna lie, I'd be sleeping on Dune 2 OD. So let's try and see what we can do in Dune 2. I don't know if we have enough time up, and I think the time is up. Alright, well, there you have it. There's my 5-minute beat. But what I'm going to do is finish the beat up. Like I said, I'm just gonna look into Dune 2 a little bit. But you know what? The beat is sounding really, really nice right now. So let's do it. Alright.
One eternity later.
Alright guys, you know what? I'm gonna leave it at that. Alright, I'm gonna leave the beat like that. But what I am gonna do is now, I'm just gonna lay it out. Alright, so we're just gonna go to the playlist, lay out the patterns, and yeah. Alright, on the playlist, let's split this up. Split this channel. Alright. Okay, here we go. I don't know what I'm saying right now. This is what I'm gonna do. I know exactly what I'm gonna do. When I half speed it. I'm just gonna get rid of the kicks here. Okay, you know, these are gonna come in when actually, you know what, let's add these kicks right here. Then everything's gonna come in like that. Oh, whoops. Alright, you guys, there's my Playboi Carti type beat in less than 5 minutes, alright? Or 5 minutes less, whatever you want to call it, alright? It's there, it's dope. Yeah, I'm liking it a lot. If you guys don't forget, make sure to join my Discord, alright? I'm gonna keep saying this, join it. Links is right there, it's not hard. Join the Discord. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Turn on post notifications when you subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one. Peace.